In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Adobe Acrobat works. Imagine having all your digital document needs effortlessly managed in one convenient place. Adobe Acrobat, a robust tool for handling PDF documents, offers an array of features designed to make your work both efficient and effective. Let's explore how you can utilize these features to your advantage. When you first arrive at the Adobe Acrobat homepage, you'll notice it's neatly organized to help you kickstart your tasks with ease. Right from the get-go, you can select to create something new or dive straight into your recent work. This is fantastic because it offers a seamless transition between ongoing tasks and starting fresh projects, saving you valuable time. Now, let's take a closer look at the tools available on your homepage. With just a few clicks, you have direct access to editing, converting, and e-signing capabilities. This accessibility is particularly beneficial for those who are constantly working on document revisions or need to frequently switch between formats and signing chores. If you're in need of making changes to a PDF, simply click on the Edit option. This feature allows you to select text and images, making it easy to add files and modify existing content. Whether it's a typo you need to fix or an image that needs replacing, Adobe Acrobat provides the tools to do so efficiently. Let's move on to file conversion. Perhaps you have a document that needs to be saved in another format for compatibility or distribution purposes. Adobe Acrobat's Convert features simplifies this task. By selecting Convert, you can choose the format you wish to convert to, be it Word, Excel, or even an image file. This flexibility means you can cater to different audience needs or project requirements without hassle. For those who frequently work with signed documents, Adobe Acrobat's e-sign capability is a game changer. Adding an e-signature or requesting one from someone else is straightforward. This feature accelerates the approval process and mandates the authenticity of your documents, ensuring secure transactions and interactions. The great thing about Adobe Acrobat is that there's always more to uncover. Take the time to explore and familiarize yourself with its features while playing along. This way, you can discover enhanced ways to streamline your work processes. Remember, the key to mastering Adobe Acrobat is exploring its various tools and seeing how each can fit into your daily document management tasks. In conclusion, Adobe Acrobat is an all-encompassing solution for managing digital documents effectively. From creating and editing to converting and signing, it covers the full spectrum of your needs, helping you work smarter, not harder. As you familiarize yourself with each tool, I'm confident you'll start to see how much more productive you can be, regardless of the complexity of the documents you're handling. Thanks for watching, and let's get those documents in tip-top shape with Adobe Acrobat.